Hi, I'm Sienna. I'm taking the cabinet making and furniture technician program here at Algonquin College. Since I was in high school, I was really fond of taking my woodworking class, and that's really influenced me to pursue more designing and building in my future. Algonquin College was a really good fit for that, as it offers me hands-on learning as well as direct industrial connections outside of the program. Being awarded the Schulich Builders Award had so much more to do with just getting the financial aid. It really brought me out of my shell. Going in there as a woman in the trades, I had to speak a lot about my passions and my goals that I want to pursue in the future, as well as how I can put myself out there being an influence for many other people trying to get into being a Schulich builder like myself, or being a woman in the trades. I attended the event for the Trades Day for Women. That's when we took in high schoolers here at Algonquin College, and we were able to teach them how to put together pieces of wood, as well as other trades such as welding and electrical. Working with a group of girls that had a lot of fun being in the wood shop was a lot of fun for myself, because I saw past me and I could see a future for them here at Algonquin College.